Hey Thomas, mine is going to look a little different, but I'm hoping you're seeing this English 4 credit recovery box right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And when you do, you're going to see these 6 folders. So the welcome is going to introduce you to what the online course is. Getting started is going to show you how, and you can click this little play button. Or you can skip right to module 1 and click play. When you do that, it is going to show you the activities that you need to complete for Module 1. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click on the first one that looks like a paper, not like a test. So if you click on paper, it's going to load and it's going to give you the activity to help you before you take the quiz. So you're going to read through this first page. Okay. Before you click next activity, which is the pretest, you're going to click up here where you see it says 1 of 5. So you're going to click through those 5 pages. It's going to give you different things and explain to you what's going to be on your pretest. Okay? So right here, it says the pretest will reveal your strengths and help your instructor support you through more challenging assignments. Take your time and show that you know what's really on this pretest. The other awesome thing about this pretest is if you do it well, it will remove things that you don't need to do. So it'll take the number of assignments that you need to complete, these little quizzes and things, and cut them down because it shows that you've already mastered a skill. Okay? So once you go through all of these pages, the Forces of Nature checklist, it's going to show you what's in this unit. Then it's going to tell you how to enhance your course experience. It's going to give you examples of these words. It's going to give you the definitions, help you with that. If these things don't move like they are on my screen, you can scroll all the way to the bottom, all the way. And it usually gives you some kind of, not on here. Okay. Well, usually it gives you some kind of option if it won't run on your computer. It'll just give you the write out of it. Okay? Once you get to the last one, it's going to give you your instructions for the next assignment. Once you've gotten all the way to the end, you've read through this lesson summary, you're going to click on next activity. Once you click on next activity, it's going to take you to the reading pretest and you're going to start it. For the reading pretest, you only have one attempt. But once you go through that, it's going to take those assignments off. And any assignments you complete that are not a pretest, that you complete below 60%, I will return to you for a second go. Okay? Once you've started this and you go through the questions, you submit at the bottom, you're going to click on next activity. Okay? It's going to give you a writing pretest and it's going to have you talk about, or it's going to have you write through. Make sure you go through both pages. Okay? And it says, here's a rubric. Submit your narrative based on what it asked you to do on your next activity. Here, you're going to click start. You're going to write out your narrative. You'll submit at the bottom. You'll start next activity. And you go through it like that. Each module has several pages. When you're done or you need to take a break, you can go back and just click this X at the top. And so you were down here on 101.2. So you did 4 parts already, or you would have done 4 parts. And then you would just continue on with next few things. Okay? Now there are 4 modules that you need to complete. And I want to say that there are approximately 25 graded assignments that you need to complete by the end of May. So I would spend some time working on this. If you have questions, please let me know. Don't hesitate. Email me, message me on the Remind. I have a Google Voice number that I can give you guys again today. But make sure that if you're having problems with it, you let me know. Okay? All right, Thomas, let me know then.